Okay, today we're gonna unboxing another stuff. We have something special. We have DIGITEC watch. It's like a sport watch from DIGITEC. I got this with decent price. We have a discount. So let's unboxing this thing. Ooh, it's really nice. Actually, I like the packing, and from here we can see the watch. Look like really nice and looking good. The color, the detail, it's rubber, but it's good. So we have like Digitech Japan battery. This is the watch, and what's on the box? It's just logo Digitech, and then if we can see this here, there's some Digitech warranty and manual book. I guess this is, yeah, manual book. So like instruction, common instruction, and then I think that's it. So if we try the watch, let's try it. So like this, if we, it's kind of look right really good. We have some like different mode in here, so it's like we're gonna have it almost automatically. If we can see, automatically adjust the date, and in the back is we had the logo Digitech. So what is this? What's the rubber of this is really good, and I like the color of this blue is really good for me. So let's try it in my hand. Okay, it's looking good. The handle is like really good for my hand. In my hand, so ergonomic. So I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.